Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the Find My network so your devices can be located by others securely. Open Settings, tap your name, then Find My. Enable Find My iPhone and allow offline finding. Once done, make sure location services and Bluetooth are active, and enable Send Last Location so a dying battery still reports position. This establishes the network reach. It's the only way that offline locating and crowdsourced detection will work reliably. Now verify every device is registered to your Apple ID and visible in the Find My app. Rename any ambiguous devices so you can tell them apart quickly. You should enable Share My Location only when you intend to share. Once done, confirm family members or selected contacts can see your device if needed. Also make sure Activation Lock is on. This prevents unauthorized resets. These middle steps ensure the network can identify and protect your devices. To finish, open the Find My app and use the map to play sound, get directions, or mark as lost. If recovery fails, erase device remotely as a last resort. Once done, remove the device from your account only after you have it back. If things go wrong, here's a key troubleshooting tip. Toggle Bluetooth and location services, sign out and back into iCloud, and update device software, then retry. These steps restore network visibility in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.